Hey Arlington, Virginia. Notice some unusual stains on your walls and ceilings recently? This could be a sign of water damage that's been creeping into your home over time. Water damage isn't just unsightly. It can lead to serious structural issues and mold growth if not addressed promptly. But here's the good news. You're not in this alone. For residents of Arlington and surrounding areas, expert help is just a phone call away. Reach out to us at 888-217-8822 and connect with our team of water damage restoration professionals. We specialize in identifying the source of the water damage, dealing with it effectively, and restoring your walls and ceilings to their pristine condition. Don't let water damage dampen your spirits or damage your home. Arlington, it's time to give us a call at 888-217-8822. Our expert team is ready to provide top-notch water damage restoration services right at your doorstep. Remember, for efficient and reliable water damage repair, 888-217-8822 is the number to dial. Reach out now and take the first step towards a dry and secure home.